miran pero a todos los ignoran. Quiere estar sola la baby, tiene a toda la cuadra crazy. Ella es discreta, casi no habla, cara de santa, mente de diabla. No se compara, ninguna se iguala, porque ella es una chica cara. Ella
Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. You could have been anywhere else, but guess what? You're here, so thank you for joining me. Today's video is going to be me unboxing my life. I have a ton of stuff that I have not opened yet, that I have not unboxed, and I'm going to do it here live with you guys. I got some stuff from some really great companies, and I want to share that with you guys. And I also got some random gifts from people that I just have not even begun to open or look at. So we're gonna do this all on camera. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Subscribe, comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And share this video with your friends. All right, let's get started. So the first box that I'm gonna be opening is from Influencer. It is a company, some of you guys might be familiar with it, some of you might not be. They send you a whole bunch of free stuff. Why would you not sign up? I'm going to leave my link down below so you guys can sign up, and you can use that code to sign up. They'll send you a bunch of free stuff, and they just want you to talk about it, review it, give you an honest review. So this is the box. I have not opened it yet. It came in this cute box. It says, it's your share. What? It's yours. Share it with the world. Okay, I can't read clearly. Influencer. This is the box. So this is my first one. So I'm kind of excited. I didn't expect to get a box so soon because I literally just joined Influencer. I heard they send you like a ton of box. Like it could be makeup, products, food, like just whatever you're into. They'll send you a box. So this is the finesse box, and apparently I got selected this month. So this is what I'm opening. If I can get it open, that would be great. They got this thing sealed in tight. They were not playing games. All right. Alrighty, I'm excited. So I'm just going to start pulling out random stuff and showing you guys. So the first thing I see is this card. It says Finesse. Voxbox. That's what I got. Looks like it's telling me what the different products are that are in the box. So we'll put this to the side for now. Okay, first thing. What's this? Oh, it's a protein smoothie. This is exciting. It says it's by Oli, I hope I'm saying the name right. It's a superfoods protein smoothie for a boost of fruits and veggies. This is awesome. I'm definitely gonna use this, guys. Cool. All right, what else do we have in here? Not Your Mother's Naturals, blue sea kale and pure coconut water. Sea Minerals Weightless Mousse. Oh, okay, it's mousse. Flexible hold. I'm going to have to try this when I do my little twist outs with the rods or something. Oh, it's free of sulfates, gluten, parabens, dyes. That's good to know, because I don't just be putting anything in my hair. I know I'm from the Caribbean. I know what coconut water smell like. All right, let me just spray a little bit. Ooh. Oh my god, it smells like something I would wear on my like clothes. Like it smells almost like a body spray from like Bed Bath & Beyond or something. It smells really good. So if this is for my hair, I'm winning with this one, because this smells really good. Looks like I got some rice. This is cool. This is really interesting. It says minute ready to serve red quinoa and brown rice with garlic. My favorite. I love garlic, guys. And it says organic, whole grain, non-GMO project verified. This is cool. It comes with 2 little rice cups in it. This is awesome. I'm definitely going to try this out. I love my rice for sure, and I love my garlic. This is the last thing in the box. Ooh, it's nail polish. and Fairy Tailor. Awesome. I will be using this, and it's like a soft pink. It's not like a harsh pink. Love that. So the Not Your Mother's Natural Blue Sea Kale and Pure Coconut Water Weightless Mousse. That's a long ass name. That's $9. You can find it at Ultra Beauty. The Minute Ready to Serve Organic Red Quinoa and Brown Rice with Garlic is $2.49 for the 2 cups. This Ollie Super's Food Smoothie is $29.99. I guess that's for the whole pack. It's the whole pack is 15 servings, so they just gave me like a sample. The nail polish Essie is $11.50 each. This next box that I'm getting ready to open is from my dear beloved cousin. But she told me it was black owned, so I was like, okay, I'm in there. So it came with a cute card. It was for the holidays, so it's a holiday card. The company logo's in there. It's Tender Organics. I actually follow them on Instagram, so this is exciting for me. So it came cute little paper inside. And let's just get in. I'm excited right now. So first, let's see what she got me. Aloha Dreams Raw Whipped Body Butter. Ooh. And I follow them on Instagram, so I like literally I stalk them and I watch them like whipping up products at night. Literally like putting all natural fruits, all natural everything, just mixing it up together in their little factory to create these products. Oh my God, look how this is like a perfect swirl. Look at God. Ooh. Oh my God, this smells so good. Guys, they weren't lying when they said body butter. This thing, oh, I wasn't expecting it to feel this good, because like this feels like, I don't know if you guys use shea butter, but when you rub shea butter together, it's so soft and so supple. This is how this feels, and it smells, oh my, it smells so good. What is in this? Oh, so it does have shea butter in it. Shea butter, organic prunus, I can't pronounce half this stuff, sweet almond oil, organic cocos, coconut oil, fragrance, Jamaica, New York. They from New York, y'all. Follow their page. Tender Organics. Oh my God. Okay, I gotta move on to the next one. I did not expect that thing to smell so good. I would have opened this a long time ago. Okay, so the next thing that she got me is this. And this is the Aloha Dreams Artisan Cleansing Bar. Handcrafted with 3 nourishing organic butters and scented with a tropical bouquet of plumeria and tiare. I hope I'm saying this right. Flowers with notes of sun-kissed sugarcane. Hey, sugarcane. I love me some sugarcane. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Guys, look at this. This is a cleansing bar. Look at how pretty it is. I gotta open this. I don't even want to open it. I don't want to destroy it. I don't even want to wet it, really, because it's just so pretty. Oh my God, it smells so good, and the texture. Guys, I'm in love. Tender Organics. Like, you guys have my heart right now. Do you see this soap? This cleansing bar? It feels and it smells amazing. Oh my, I cannot wait to use this. Actually, I'm going to use this tonight. This is exciting. It's so pretty though. It's like, I don't even want to mess it up. Let me put it back in the plastic for now. See y'all, I'm like, I don't even want to mess up the soap. Next, I have, in this another cute box, Oatmeal, Milk, and Honey Exfoliating Cleansing Bar. Handcrafted with raw goodness of whole oats to gently exfoliate and skin loving shea, mango, and cocoa butters to moisturize. Lord God. Good God. Oh my God. Look at all this texture. I can see the, what is it? I can see the oats, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. It smells like oatmeal and some other stuff. Guys, look at the oats. It's literally little oats in it. This is how it looks. I'm in love right now. Oh my God. Guys, I may never go back to regular soap. Tender Organics! What are you guys doing to me? I have another cleansing bar. My cousin went in. It is Buttermilk Calendula cleansing bar, handcrafted with mother of the skin Calendula creamy buttermilk and the refreshingly clean scent of lemongrass essential oils. Oh my God, I'm excited. I can see the texture inside. I can see everything inside already. Like, you can literally see the ingredients in the soap. That's how you know it's real. Oh my God, I can smell the lemongrass. It smells so good. I feel like I almost smell pineapple in it too, but it doesn't say pineapple. Look at this, guys. Look at the texture. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to do a review on these, like when I actually use them on my skin. Guys, that's it. I'm done. I'm done. I don't even want to open any of the boxes right now. Like, I'm done. Seriously. Tender Organics. Next is this. I ordered this from one of my favorite YouTubers, 22nd Century Natural Woman. I love her, and she makes organic soaps, natural soaps, and stuff for your skin, for your hair, shampoo, moisturizing shampoo bars, and just a ton of great stuff for just being as natural as possible and using as many products that are close to the earth on your skin and your hair and your body. So I went ahead and I ordered a shampoo bar. I'm excited. I'm gonna also be doing a review on this separately as well, because I will be using this in my hair next wash day. And I got peppermint. It comes in a whole bunch of different scents. I got peppermint because I like how peppermint smells. Oh my God, the peppermint just got stronger. This is what it looks like, guys. And it's a shampoo bar. I don't know if you guys have seen her page, but her hair is amazing, and her hair is like down to her tailbone, guys. So listen, any advice that she's given, best believe I'ma listen. Okay. My last box is from one of my favorite companies. Airbnb sent me a gift. So I recently went on a ski trip, took some friends with me, posted an awesome picture by the fireplace in my Airbnb. Airbnb loved it so much that they were like, let's send her something because we love her. And I'm so thankful because I love you too, guys. So the box kind of fell, so it's kind of open already, but it came in another box. And guys, look at this. They got me a selfie stick with the Airbnb logo on it. I'm excited because I'm taking this on my next trip with me. And it's a good selfie stick too. It's not like one of those rinky dink selfie sticks that are possibly gonna break on me. Like, you can adjust this to go up or down, or you can twist this little knob on the side and have it stay in place, and then you connect this part to your phone. But look at this, guys. Look how long this is. It's so long. Look at this. Look at this. I'm so excited, and it has their name on it. Airbnb. Hashtag Airbnb love. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. My selfie game is about to be strong. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below. Support your girl. Ooh. Also, follow me guys on Instagram. Catch_her_on_the_runway. So that's catch her on the runway underscore in between each word. And also follow my Facebook page at catch her on the runway. See you in my next video.